it looks like we're getting ready to do some fishing.
Yeah, we just got some rigs here that we're getting set up. These are some teasers here with some colored squids that we pull behind, and the last one has a nice little hook on it, so hungry little fish can come by and say hello to the crew of the USS Nimitz.
Right on. We're gonna catch some tuna. Fishing off fantail. Hopefully gonna catch some tuna. Out here with the MPTA and Leonard over here.
I'm on 2 hours of sleep right now.
Oh, the GoPro's out. We're out here on the fantail trying to catch some tuners.
You filming right now?
Yeah, let it rip.
What's the difference between a fish and a piano?
I don't know.
You can tune a piano, but you can't tune a fish. Unless you're on the Nimitz.
Hell yeah, brother. Hey, morning, Jim Bob. Nice of you to show up to fishing.
Like, have fun.
Go, baby. That's a tuna, I think. Oh! No! Fishing boat's getting woken up. About to hit the fantail. Hopefully catch our, you know, our paychecks for the day.
Hey, do you want to tell them to slow down the ship? Hey, who has their radio?
Are you serious? They'll slow it down?
Keep it coming, keep it coming. Yeah! We're on! Get him in, get him in! Yeah! Woo! Fish on, baby! We got more on though.
There she is.
Hey! Woo! Hey, look at this! We got another one, baby! Get in there! Hey, fish on over here! Fish on! Pull her!
We got 1 fish on deck.
We got 2 fish on deck.
2 fish on deck. A great sailor making it.
Woo! Let's go! Woo! Stay on it, Tyler! Yeah, Tyler! Woo! Yeah!
We caught a fish on an aircraft